It's giving auntie vibes. It's giving mom's got things to do. It's giving rich and fabulous. It's giving sophisticated and classy. It is giving. I really, really love it, y'all. What is up, my YouTube followers and all YouTubers alike? It is your girl Tanisha, also known as She's a Model, and today I'm going to do a quick little review on these glasses that I purchased the other day. Okay, so this is like my Christmas gift to myself, and these glasses are just so cute. They're so fashionable. I really wanted to do a review on them so I can get into the ins and outs of these glasses, the price, and everything else so that you guys are able to see if you want to purchase. All right, so the glasses that we are talking about today are these beautiful, 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 beautiful Gucci glasses. As you can see, it has the Gucci sign right on them, and it comes with this nice little embedded look. And they are very, very big glasses. So if you are a big shades lover, these shades are gonna be for you. So I'm gonna show you guys how it came in the package, what did it come with, and I'm gonna go into all of the specs on these glasses slash shades. All right, so let's get straight into the video. All right, so like I mentioned, these glasses have a really, really big face. All right, so if you're one to love big faces, these are the glasses, the shades for you. All right, they're really, really nice in sun blocking. They are phenomenal in sun blocking. You can wear these all season, all year round, and they're very, very sturdy, and they're very, very just good protective glasses. What I really like about them as well, it does have the green hue to them. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's like a little green hue. And when you turn it to the side, you can see the green hue more, but actually in person, it looks more black, but you can clearly see the green hue, all right? When you put them on your eyes, they are more so black, but you can definitely see the green hue. Like I mentioned, it does have the big Gucci sign, so if you like to stand out, you're gonna be able to see that huge Gucci sign so that everybody knows you're rocking some Gucci glasses, honey. All right, and the color, y'all, let's get into the color. They have these in the shade the color black as well, but I really, really loved this color, so I said, you know what, let me purchase this color. All right, so the color is really what I love the most about it. So it has like this water like print to it. It's not embedded into the shades, it's like a little print, but it looks so realistic, y'all. So realistic. It does not look cheap or cheesy. It looks so good in person, and I really love that look. It has like this almost like water wave look. Let's see if you guys can see. Yeah, it has like this almost water wave look throughout the what do you call this, throughout the sides of them. So it's really, really nice. And as well, the Gucci sign within itself is very sturdy. It's almost like embedded into the shades. So it looks really, really nice. And also, in addition to that, it also has the Gucci sign inside of the shades as well. And it has the code so that you know it is a legit pair of shades. You always want to make sure that when you are purchasing these shades that you're looking at that code so that you know that these are legit. Okay, you don't want to get ones that are fake and then pay full price and next thing you know they aren't real. So you want to make sure that you check out the code so that you are aware and you know that the code is legit. All right, so Like I mentioned, it is a very big face. It has a very big face, so it covers completely all of your eyes. I'm gonna put it on so that you guys can see. And I don't know if you guys can see, it also has the Gucci sign. You probably can't see it, but it has a Gucci sign right there as well. All right, so I want to talk about what it came in. It came in this nice little satin pouch. So it is protected with the pouch, which is really nice. And it also came in this beautiful black case. All right, so it came in the case as well, so that it is protected and you can keep it protected as well. All right, and in the case you see the Gucci logo. Focus that in, there you go. And you see the Gucci logo, so you know that even the case itself is a legit case. And it also came with a nice rag, or whatever you want to call these, so that you can use it to clean your shades. Okay, so I like to clean my shades right after each use so that they stay nice, clean, and protected. All right, so let me go ahead and try them on so that you guys can see. You might see the hue from the lights. So like I said, it has the logo on the side, so it just looks really good. If you like a big pair of glasses that covers all of your eyes and just look good, like I really adore these glasses. I have this outfit on with them. I think it's really cute. All right, very comfortable. They don't hurt your nose. I don't know, I have an issue like when I wear shades for a long period of time, sometimes it starts to irritate my nose. These do not irritate your nose. If you know how to style some shades, girl, I'm telling you, get these shades. These shades are so worth it. They're so cute, and they go with all black things, that's for sure. And if you have a little bit of green in your outfits, you can throw these on, or if you want to just spice it up and throw something different on, you can throw these shades on as well. I'm a girl that like to put her shades up here, but since these are so pricey, I have not done that with these shades, because I'm like, these shades are way too much money to be up there. No, we're not doing that. We're gonna put these shades on the right way, so I don't do that with these shades. So I paid about $224 for these shades. I was able to use my PayPal Pay by 4. So if you have PayPal Pay by 4, make sure you get into it and use that. I purchased mine on eBay, but you can purchase yours on Poshmark. I'm sure they have it on Poshmark. You can purchase it on eBay, but you want to make sure that when you purchase these, you want to make sure that the code is there and they're able to confirm the code. I just wanted to let you guys know, in addition to that as well, it did have the authenticity code in it as well. I believe that is somewhere, because it came in a box and it had the authenticity code in there as well. I just wanted to mention that also, because that's how you know that the glasses are legit, when it has all that information in them. So prior to you purchasing, you just want to make sure that it is a legit one, and you want to make sure that it is in there, so you can ask the seller if they do have that as well for you. All right, so yeah, that concludes this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick and a brief look on these beautiful shades. They are so beautiful. I was looking for reviews all over on these shades before I purchased them, and I think I only saw like one, and it was not even a full detailed review. It was just like showing the shades. So I like to do reviews on things that I wanted to look for and I wanted to actually review. So I said, let me just give this one a quick little review, so anybody that is considering purchasing, I can tell y'all to go ahead and purchase, because it is worth the purchase. All right, so thank y'all so much for watching. If you are interested in seeing more videos like this, if you're interested in seeing self-help videos, if you're interested in seeing inspirational videos, if you're interested in seeing shopping videos, make sure you hit that like button. Comment on this video if you want to purchase these shades. If I influenced you or helped you in any way on purchasing these shades, make sure you comment below. And I just want to thank you guys again so much for watching. I do hope you have a blessed and peaceful day and or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you guys. One love. Peace.